Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel QR Notes. I am hereby to give you quick revision of the week 1 and also giving the correct answer of the assignment 1. Now first question is emotional intelligence was first talked about. Option B, John Mayer and Peter Solvay is correct. Question number second. What is the following? Which of the following is not a part of the James Lang's theory of the emotion? James Lang's theory emotion says that activation of visceral body changes, and second one is brain interpret visceral changes as emotional experience. So, according to the James Septual, option A, problem solving is not a part of the James theory. Okay. Question number third. Sackler-Singer theory tried to address the flaws in, that is, he conclude his theory in two different points. First point is activation of general purpose psychological arousal. Second, observation of environmental cues. Question number fourth. Which of the following are not a part of emotion? Part of emotion means that is our body arousal, feelings, sense of purpose. But cognitive leads are not a part of our emotions. Question number 5. The extent to which an individual is able to incorporate the cultural knowledge and experience through their life refers to A. Crystallized intelligence. What is crystallized intelligence? As given in the question, it is understood crystallized intelligence, but we have to talk about B. Fluid intelligence. What is fluid intelligence? The capacity to learn or grasp in a given interval of time is called fluid intelligence. Like when a child is learning at the stage of the learning, he quickly learn 1 to 2 pages in 5 to 10 minutes. But at the stage of the 30 or 40, an adult can't be learn it easily. He takes time of 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and it is quite impossible to someone's. So it is called fluid intelligence. What is crystalline intelligence? That is, our intelligence increases due to our working. Like we are cooking is a habit. We at the starting is we are learning, but at the time we are get expert, we are more expressible and more we can serve more dishes. That is crystalline intelligence. So this is the answer of the next question also, so be careful. Question number 6. It is normal to see some intellectual decline as an age increases. However, there is also probability of seeing growth and mental stability across adulthood. This is referred to C, the neo-functionalist approach. Neo-functionalist approach is like crystalline intelligence. Okay. Question number 7 is that about I am discussing. Blank intelligence increases with age while blank intelligence decreases. Option B is correct. Crystalline is increasing, but fluid is decreasing with age. Question number 8. Which of the following is not Gardner's intelligence? Gardner's intelligence have many points like linguistic, musical, interpersonal, as well as intrapersonal, and many more. but the option C is not a part of gardener's intelligence. Uh, for quick revision, gardener's intelligence you may written on write on paper: linguistic, musical, logical, mathematics, spatial, bodily, kinesthesis, intrapersonal, interpersonal. Okay. Question number 9. Experiential intelligence refers to A. Ability to formulate new ideas based on past experience in unique manner. That is about the experimental intelligence. But there are two intelligence also: componential intelligence and contextual intelligence. In componential intelligence, ability to think abstractly, process information effectively. Okay. But in contextual intelligence, ability to adapt the changing environment conditions and to shape the environment so as to maximize one's strength and compensate for one's weakness. Okay. Now moving to the next question, question number 10. Dual process model consists of A. Mechanic intelligence. It consists of two parts: mechanic plus pragmatic intelligence. As in the option there is doesn't mention of the paramagnetic, so only A is correct. Question number 11. Which of the following are a part of dual process model of intelligence? As discussed earlier in the question number 10, option D is correct. Both A and B, mechanical and pragmatic intelligence. Question number 12. Three-phase system model was developed by, that is who conduct, developed by Marion Perlmutter. Question number option number C is correct. 13. According to the three-phase system, model processing includes. First, we have to know about what is the three phases of system modeling. System modeling, as name suggests, it is of three parts: processing, knowing, and thinking. Processing means attention, perceptual speed, memory, reasoning. Okay, but in the knowledge, knowing, memorizing is storing of knowledge about the world. Okay, thinking, metacognition, higher level of information processing and mental function, post-formal operation, post-operational. Okay, so which one is correct according to you? Processing includes attention, perceptual speed, memory. That is option D, all of the above. Question number 14. The ability to produce ideas that are high in quality and task appropriate refers to, it is quite easy. Option C is creativity. Creativity in which we discuss our ideas. Okay. And last one question is very easy. The concept of the content thinking was given by Gulford. Okay. That's about I analyzed during the 1 weeks to give you information to you. But in the forthcoming, I tried my best to give the contents to you so that you can shortlist the points and easily learn. So in the less time, which were unable to give their time to watch all the videos, for that it is very helpful. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends so that he get also the benefits of the quick revision of assignments and answers of the MOOCs emotional intelligence. Thank you for watching.